I want to talk about this knife display case that Bobolo sent me to do a video on. I've got a lot of knives. Some are in my closet, some are in a backpack tucked away, some are in some drawers, and this is going to be great. It can finally allow me to keep them all in one place so I know where everything is when I need one, or when I just want to look at my collection. Taking a look at right here, you can see segmented compartments. You see right there, it's got the straps right there that'll hold them in place. So this can hold up to 64 knives depending on the size of the knives, obviously. I've got some larger ones, so I don't think I'll be able to get to that amount, but you can see right there, fits right into the elastic straps, and you can put it in according to the clip on the knife, or you can go underneath it depending on how you want to do it. You can see right there, holds them right in place. And this is really sharp. This is going to be good for anyone who has a large collection of knives and wants to be portable with them, or really just like me for organization. I'm always going to know where they are. If you'd like to organize your knife collection, click on the link in the description below.